Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello class, how's life? I hope everything is going well for you. Today, we are going to learn about personal letter. Welcome back with Mr. Danang. Before we start our lesson today, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Ya, oke, anak-anak. The purpose of our lesson today atau tujuan pembelajaran kita pada kali ini yaitu siswa dapat mengidentifikasikan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur surat pribadi sederhana. Dan siswa dapat membuat surat pribadi sederhana sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya. Oke, personal letter. What is personal letter? What it is used for? Digunakan untuk apa? And what is the structure of personal letter? Bagian-bagian dari personal letter itu apa? Oke. Personal letter. The first is meaning. Artinya, personal letter is a letter which is written for someone you know. For example, your friend, your family, classmate, pen pal, or your best friend. Jadi surat pribadi adalah surat yang ditulis untuk kepentingan pribadi. Contohnya, kita menuliskan untuk teman, keluarga, teman sekelas, atau teman dekat. Formatting. Personal letter should be handwriting. Jadi yang namanya surat pribadi itu seharusnya menggunakan tulisan tangan, handwriting. The purpose of personal letter. Common purpose to write a personal letter to tell good news, to give advice, delivering bad news, asking for help, or apologizing. Jadi kita bisa untuk tell good news, menceritakan berita baik, to give advice, memberikan saran, delivering bad news, ya apabila ada kabar buruk, asking for help, untuk minta tolong, and or apologizing, meminta maaf. Okay, and then the structure of personal letter. Bagian-bagian dari surat pribadi. Number 1, heading, and then greeting, and then number 3, the body or the main text or contents. 4, the complementary clause. 5, signature line or your name, and number 6, postscript. Okay, the first one, heading or date. The heading include your address and the date. Jadi ada address, your address itu alamat, and the date, tanggal kapan kamu menuliskan surat itu. Write the heading in the upper right hand corner about 1 inch from the top of the page. Ya, nanti kita lihat contohnya. Nah, oke. Heading, contoh, the address and date. And then salutation, salam pembuka. Usually begins with the word dear and is followed by the person's name. Diawali kata dear, followed diikuti oleh nama orang. Place a comma after the person's name. Kasih koma setelah nama. Ya, leave one blank line after the heading. Write the salutation at the left hand margin. Ya, ada di sebelah kiri. Kita lihat contohnya. Nah, oke. Ada di sebelah kiri. Dear name, dear Jane, and then comma. Itu disebut dengan salutation. The body, the contents of the personal letter. The thoughts and idea you want to share. Ya, ide apa yang ingin kamu sampaikan. Nah, skip one line after the salutation, then single space. Oke, kita lihat contohnya. Skip one line, then the body. Ya, isinya apa? Ya, for example, this. Then closing. Nah, skip one line or twice. Capitalize only the first word, ya. Capitalize huruf besar hanya di first word, huruf pertama. Follow with a comma. Ya, common closing words. Ya, biasanya menggunakan apa ini? Love, sincerely, your friend, respectfully, regards, your truly, ya. And then this is the example. Skip one line and then closing. Ya, sincerely. Third, signature. Di sini nama atau tanda tangan kamu. Sign your letter beneath your closing. Ya, tulis sign your letter beneath di bawah closing. For personal letter, your first name is usually enough. Nama depan aja. Ya. Unless the person doesn't know you very well. Kecuali tidak kenal kamu ya. Nama lengkap. Ya, kemudian tanda tangan, signature. Ya, contoh. Oke. Ya. Okay, thank you. I think that's all for today. Remember to keep study and keep spirit. Thank you very much and see you next lesson. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.